If you wish, you can edit your profile information, such as changing your password, update your email address, changing your user preferred language, or your profile picture. Click on the icon in the upper right hand corner of the screen and then select Go to Profile. From your profile screen, click on the Edit button. To upload or change your photo, click on the pencil icon on the left. Select an image from your computer and click on OK. Finally, click Save to keep the changes. For any questions or suggestions, email us at help@blinklearning.com.